The amazing craft paper making process starts with recycled waste paper. Friends, you'll be curious to know how new craft paper can be made from old waste paper. Well, let's find out. First of all, recycled waste paper is loaded onto a conveyor belt and sent into the pulper unit. In the pulper unit, the pulp is made by mixing water, paper and chemicals. Then the pulp is passed through a sand trap. This separates any soil, pebbles and sand from the mixture. Next, the pulp is passed through a screen and the uniform sized pulp passes straight through. Any bigger chips are separated. After the impurities are removed, we can see clean pulp. Now the clean pulp is fine-tuned for the final process and sent to the head box of the machine. Friends, next up you'll see one of the main manufacturing processes of making craft paper. A thin layer of pulp is processed evenly on large-sized wire. Isn't this an amazing process? You can see that the pulp has dried at high speed and is clearly looking more like paper. To maintain the size, the craft paper is passed by two types of press rolls. This is really one of the most satisfying processes to watch, as 47% of the moisture is removed. For the uniform width of craft paper, it is cut with a high pressure water jet. You can see that such fine paper is cut with precision. After that, there is still some moisture left in the finished craft paper, and that is removed with the help of a dryer. Friends, now the colouring process is done to give it its trademark colour. I hope you'll enjoy watching this part. In the paper mill industry, it is known as size press. During manufacturing, craft paper quality is inspected in the testing lab. After the colour has dried, a giant craft paper roll is ready to be lifted out with the help of a crane. This big roll weighs around 15,000 kilograms. Next, the roll rewinding process is done and the roll is cut according to the size. After weighing, the strapping is done. And the craft paper roll is ready for selling in the market.